Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create a free landing page on Google Sites. In this video, we will demonstrate how to create a free landing page on Google Sites, how to edit it, how to get a free domain, and how to make it live. So watch this video till the end to better understand all these steps. This is Google's homepage. Click on the square dotted icon at the top right corner and you will see some of Google's popular apps. Scroll down this list and then click on the More from Google button and you will be taken to Google's products list page. This is Google's products page. Scroll down and you will see the Google products section. This product list is already sorted alphabetically. Scroll down the list to find the app called Sites, and when you find it, click on it. Now, in order to proceed further, you either need to log in or create an account with Google. You can use one Google account across all its products and services. But if you don't have a Google account yet, you will need to click here on the Create Account link to create a Google account. Or else here enter your registered Google ID or phone number and then click on the next button. Now on this page, here enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, then visit this Forgot Password link. After entering the password, click on the next button and you will be taken to your Google Sites dashboard. The interface of Google Sites is pretty simple. On the top of the page, from here you can start creating your website from scratch. And next to it you will see some of the popular templates. To view all other templates, click on the Template Gallery button and the Templates section will get expanded. For the personal category, you can use the Portfolio template. In the Work category, there are templates of Event, Help Center, Project, and Team. For small business, you have templates like Dog Walker, Holiday Party, Photo Portfolio, Restaurant, Salon, and Wedding. And for education, you can use the templates of Class, Club, and Student Portfolio. Now let's create a landing page for a restaurant. So we are going ahead and clicking on the restaurant template. This is the template editor page. Let's start designing our restaurant's website. First, let's enter the name of the restaurant here. To enter the name, just click on this text. Select all the pseudo texts and delete them. And type in your restaurant's name. We are entering Foodie Point. After entering the text, you can customize this text from the options given in the top toolbar. Like you can see, there is font, size, alignment, color, and more. Below there is a text box. We can use it for writing a short description for our restaurant. So click on it, delete the existing text, and write a short description. We are writing something like this for a description of our restaurant. You can also change the text's color, font, and size from the options given in the top toolbar. Below there is a color box with a reservations button. You can also customize this color box. If you click on it, then some icons will appear on the left side. Use the first icon to change the color of the box. Use the second icon to duplicate this color box and use the last icon to delete this color box. When you click on the text button, the editing tool will appear. And from this drop-down menu, you can change the layout of this button. If you click on this edit icon, then from here you can rename this button. From here you can add a link for this button. And after entering it, just click on the update button. Below is a dish image with a small description. It will be better if you add a featured dish of your restaurant here. Now if you want to change this image, just click on it and then click on the first icon in its editing toolbar, and then at the bottom under the image, click on the Upload button. Select the image and upload it. It will replace the current image. Now here, write a small description of this dish. Now let's add some more images. In the left sidebar under the Insert tab, click on the Images button and then click on the Upload button. After selecting the image, it will be added to the page. Now if needed, scale this image according to your requirement. After adding the image, write a small description of it. Click on the text button in the left sidebar, then start typing. And if needed, you can change this text size, font and color as well. In this way, you can go ahead, take your own time and design your website. You can use the Insert tab in the left sidebar to add different items to your design. From here, you can add a text box. From here, you can add an image. From here, you can embed any content. And from here, you can add items from your Google Drive. Below, you will see the content block section, which has different layouts for images and texts, like horizontal alignment of image with text, multiple images in a row, and much more. You can add any one according to your requirement. And below you will see many other options like collapsible group, table of contents, image carousel, button, divider, spacer, social links, placeholder, YouTube, calendar, map, docs, slides, sheets, forums, and charts. Go ahead and add any of these elements to your website. For that, just drag and drop them to the place where you want them to be on your website. In this manner, you can take your time to customize and build your website. And once you're done with the editing process, just click on this publish icon. Now a pop-up window will open. Here enter the address for your website. Just start typing the name, and if it is available, you will see a tick icon like this. And so your website's name will be like sites.google.com/your website name. But if you don't want sites.google.com in the URL of your website, then you need a custom domain name. Either you can buy it from Google, or if you already have purchased a domain name from any other domain registrar, you can transfer it to Google Sites with a minimal fee. And it will take approximately 1 week to reflect in your Google Sites profile. Once it is available, you can start using it and make your website live. From here, you can also manage who can view your website. In the last, there is a search setting. If you tick this box, then the search engines will not display your site. And once you're done with everything, just click on the publish button and your website will be live in just a few seconds. With this, we have completed our tutorial on how to create a free landing page on Google Sites. This brings this video to an end. We truly hope you liked it. If you have any suggestions or want us to make a video on any specific topic, feel free to comment below. We will see you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel.